MoneyLion is a financial technology platform offering a range of banking and lending services to its users. Here's how MoneyLion works. Membership. MoneyLion offers membership plans that provide access to various financial products and services. Users can choose from different membership tiers, each offering a unique set of benefits. Banking services. MoneyLion provides mobile banking services, including checking and savings accounts with no minimum balance requirements, no monthly fees, and access to free ATMs. Credit Builder Loans. MoneyLion offers Credit Builder Loans, which allow users to borrow money and build credit. These loans are secured by the user's savings account and help improve credit scores over time. Investing. MoneyLion offers investment services, allowing users to invest in stocks and ETFs through their platform. They also provide personalized investment recommendations based on the user's financial goals and risk tolerance. Financial tools. MoneyLion offers a suite of financial tools and resources to help users manage their money better. This includes budgeting tools, credit monitoring, and personalized financial advice. Rewards program. MoneyLion offers a rewards program where users can earn cashback rewards for making purchases with their MoneyLion debit card and for completing financial tasks.